How to schedule WhatsApp messages on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and download this application called Schedit because there is no inbuilt feature of scheduling messages on WhatsApp. So we can simply download this application and tap on open. As you tap on open, I'm going to skip the login part over here, and what you can simply do over here is you just access chat support, or you can just directly tap on I understand and you can just go for the application directly. So here what you can do is you can start scheduling. For that you just need to tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and select on WhatsApp at the top. So as you tap on WhatsApp, it will take us to this new page over here. So this is the ad, we just need to skip it. So let's skip the ad over here. And here what you need to do is just select on the recipient. You can select the recipient by tapping on the plus icon and just check the requirements. So you just have to allow over here for background auto start. So let's give that access, enable the accessibility over here as well. So let's tap on downloaded apps and let's just toggle on this option. So let's wait for a few seconds until we tap on the OK option that is available over here. So let's wait and tap on OK. As we do that, we can just go back and then select on the option of allow over here for the background auto start. Tap on other permissions and just enable it as well. So let's wait until the options pop up over here. So let's tap on this always allow, and do that for other options as well. So let's do that for all other options. Go back and type on yes. You can also tap on disable battery saver. So you can just tap on no restrictions. And now you can just go back. Now what you need to do is just select on the recipient over here from WhatsApp. Okay. And then select on a particular person. Then here you can just now select the title of the message. Then write in the message over here. And here now you can just attach any sort of attachments if you want to send it. If not, you can now just select the date for the scheduling over here and the time, and then you can just tap on the check mark. And as you tap on the check mark, there you go, you have scheduled the message. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.